What's up, everybody? You're watching Viewin, and we're back with another video. So today I'm gonna do something a little different than my first video. It's a makeup tutorial, except I'm not doing makeup. My friend Isha sent me a video, and I'm gonna be basically saying a guy's perspective on what's going on. So I feel like it can't be that hard. I know girls, they have a lot of makeup, but I mean, besides like powder and I guess you put the little eyelashes on, eyebrows, or okay, I'm already messing up. So we'll see how good I do on this. But like I said, I don't think it could be that hard. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, here we go. Step 1. You get some Olay Complete. I guess since it's step 1, it looks like, I guess, glue.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You're gonna need some glue as a base to keep the makeup on. All right, step 2, we're gonna get some, just a little bit, just to set the glue and rub it in, because you don't want too much glue. So, and then we're gonna put some concealer under your eyes. So I guess for bags and black spots, I don't know why you're gonna put concealer on your forehead. I thought it was just for, like, the bags on your eyes and black marks, but I guess sometimes you get it on your forehead. Oh, looks like the guy from the McDonald's character's little purple thing. So I guess you get these in a McDonald's Happy Meal. That's how you get these. So you just dab, dab, dab. Dab it all in. Just watch out for concussions because it's a lot of dabbing. And you're just going to go over the eyes, both eyes. And now I don't know, up. Okay, you mix all those two together, and then you're going to put a bunch of spots in your face like a leopard. All over your face. I don't know why she can't just smear it all in. I don't know what's the dab, but we're back to the McDonald's character. And just mix it all in. And okay, looks like it's pretty well mixed in now. As long as she got the neck, because a lot of girls, they do the neck or they don't do the neck, and their face looks completely different from the neck. So she knows what she's doing. Okay. Now you're gonna put this line. You're gonna get the edges. Skeletor, everyone. Yeah, I guess you're doing the bone structure of your face. And then you're gonna get the McDonald's purple guy again, and you're gonna blend all of this in. All right. Just dab, dab, dab. Dab daddy. All right, you're gonna get this paintbrush, and I guess she's making her nose look smaller, longer. Okay. Now we're gonna break it up. They're putting in work with this purple thing. Okay, you're gonna put some baby powder, looks like, on your face, all under your eyes, where earlier you put the concealer, and it was also on your forehead. So I guess you get to pick which color you want to be today, and you get another brush. Don't know what kind of brush that is. Looks like she's holding an egg or something. Egg brush. Okay. Get some more of that powder stuff. Now we're going to go over the Skeletor lines that she drew earlier. Okay, new brush looks like. Now we're gonna do the eyelids. So we're gonna get some of that skin color that we covered up with the glue earlier, and getting that skin color back. Oh, blowing it and taste it. A little bit extra saliva, I guess, makes it stick better. She got brushes for days. I don't even know what number brush this is. Okay, pose. And this is the dangerous part. Is this... Girls have to do this every day? They just put a pencil in their eye. Okay, brush number 5. It's the biggest brush of the bunch. I guess you're just brushing all the excess powder off your face. Okay, and get the nose. Got the egg brushes back, and we're gonna do those cheekbones. And back on the nose. I guess I see she's emphasizing the bone structure. Where the cheeks are, and the forehead and the nose. Okay, we're gonna do the lips. Okay, get a nice little outline going. Is that called lip liner, I believe? And then you just paint inside the lines. So if you're bad as a kid growing up, trying to do coloring books and painting inside the lines, they're actually training you to do makeup in the future. So you just paint inside the lines. And now she's looks like lipstick. All right, staying in line still. Okay. And she did a good job. Doesn't look like she went outside of the line. It looks like she's tasting the brush now. Oh, Q-tip. Is this a life hack? I didn't know you could use Q-tips for anything else besides your ear. Well, just learned something today. All right, looks like, okay, more lipstick. Lipsticks come in layers, apparently. All right. Looks like she missed a spot. Or how are you gonna fix that? Do you start up? Q-tip. There we go. That's what the Q-tip's for, everybody. Touch up. Q-tips are for touch up. All right. Looks like you have enough lipstick on. Oh, almost lost her.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, we got some lemonade in a bottle. And she's spraying. This gives you a lemony scent. Yep, on a nice hot summer day. Just cool you off. All right, now more cooling off. Oh, okay. I guess this is to dry all the lemonade spray. She's losing it. So I guess the bigger the book, the faster it dries. So you want to make sure you get a 500-page book. And here's the big reveal. Nice. All right, y'all. So there we have it. That's your makeup tutorial. I hope you learned something today. I saw a lot. So there you have it. There you have it. I think I did a pretty good job. Maybe not with, at the beginning I was talking about the glue, the makeup glue. It sounded like it could be right, but it's probably not right. Or the McDonald's toy, the toy guy. Maybe not, but that's what it looked like. So I feel like I was on the right track with the majority of the stuff. But yeah, let me know how I did in the comments. If you want to see more videos like that, hit the like button, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.